Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we're gonna see the next week forex analysis guys. So how they behave and how you can trade in them. Okay guys, first is euro versus US dollar guys. We can see here guys, you can see here how we have discussed that only happened. Our all three target has been achieved. This will act as right now will be as a support. Okay guys, right now you are seeing here this is making typically M pattern also, and this is also looking like a one of the trend line. Okay guys, this is not a perfect trend line. Okay guys, because always the trend line will you can use is that at the time when a market is going on, at this time this trend line will works. It doesn't make any sense, but this will be the higher probability. Okay guys, in probability only we can play the forex pair also. So if once again it will take resistance somewhere here, only consolidate, then break, then you can definitely go for your first target guys. This will be the second, third and fourth, and further also you can take, and it will be the bullish market. Okay guys, in downside also we can discuss guys. If it will cross here, then take resistance somewhere here, then you can easily achieve your first target guys, second and your third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target in downside and upside, these target. And if it will consolidate and then breaks, then you can definitely go for bullishness and you can go for bigger targets too. Okay guys, we can see next. Also you can join my telegram channel guys. There I will give you the some of the calls or some important things. If I am seeing something like that, so I will post there for you guys. Okay guys, this is the highly buyer area. Okay guys, you can see that how long wicks is making, that how long wick this single is making, then continuously the in a sideways after breakout. You can see that how nicely it makes. Okay guys, so right now you can see here, so this is the area where it is continuously acting as resistance. Okay guys, if it will break, okay guys, if it will break, take somewhere here only support, then you can achieve your at least your first target will be here guys, second and third target guys. Then it will break, then you can go for further also, fourth and fifth. Okay guys, but important is that up till here only. Okay guys, this will be the fourth target, fifth target. Okay guys, we can see also in downside target guys, you can see here continuously consolidating. If once again take resistance or a make M pattern, it will cross this, then you can go for your exactly first target will be here, second, third guys, or it may be whole week gonna consolidate only. Otherwise if it will break here, then you can go for fourth and fifth target too. Okay guys, otherwise it will continuously goes on consolidation phase only and consolidate here only. Okay guys, you have to see that. We can see in euro versus GBP guys, right now it is in the channel also. Okay guys, I have told you in the beginning only, you can go and check out there my weekly analysis. I have told you how it behaves. So overview we have done how I have taken that trades and what logic behind it. So go and check out guys. Okay guys, right now we can see here. Okay guys, this is the place it is turning around right now. If once again take support, our first target will be here guys, second target, third target. If once again it will take support somewhere here, you can go for bigger targets too. Okay guys, up till here you can go for bigger targets too guys. Okay guys, if it will take somewhere here only break this, take resistance, you can go for your first target guys, second target, your third target. Okay guys, your third target will be up till here, and you can go further also. But remember, this is the very strong buyers area. Okay guys, if it will break, then only you can go for your fourth, fifth and sixth target. Okay guys, up till here you can go for euro versus GBP. Okay guys, I will just minimize this. Okay, you can see here. Okay guys, these are the upside momentum, these are the downside. If take resistance, our first target, second, third, then if once again break, fourth, fifth and sixth target too. Okay guys, we can see next USD versus CAD. Okay guys, USD versus CAD, you can see here. Right now this is looking like a bullishness. Okay guys, but right now what we have to see is that this is the area where it gonna take once again resistance. Okay guys, if it will take resistance somewhere here, our first target, second target. Okay guys, here only it may be turn around and go back, but if it will break our third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the our target. I will just draw once again, take resistance, then our first target, this will be the second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can gonna see where it goes. So in upside momentum, if it will break, then our minimum first target will be this guys, second, and take make any price action, then you can go for upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see next USD versus CHF. So you can see here it gives us very big momentum. Also I have told you the logic in previous video, weekly analysis, how market has been behave. I have uploaded that too, go and check out guys. So somewhere here continuously buyer are activating. Okay guys, this is the area where buyer are so much dominated. Just I will shift it a little bit down. So okay, here is buyer are so much dominated. Okay guys, just slightly more. So okay guys, this is the area. So right now what we can say is that right now it is in the bullish phase only. So this is the trend line. Do not take it so much seriously, because in trend line 3 to 4 times it will take resistance, then only you have to make a trend line. I am just looking like that only, so I have just drawn. If it will take somewhere here only resistance and coming downside, then our first target, second target is our third target guys. Okay guys, our fourth target guys. You can expect bigger fall also somewhere here up till here guys. Okay guys, because I will tell you, this is the buyer's area. If once break this, then seller will get an opportunity to take it downside, so you can go and short this. Okay guys, if it will take a consolidation only and take here, then our bricks, then our first target, second, third and fourth and even fifth target guys. Bigger target in upside momentum also, downside momentum also. You can check out this and make it as a watch list. Okay guys, this is the one of the nicest place in AUD versus US dollar guys. Right now you can see what happened is that it broke, taken a somewhere support, goes upside. Right now it definitely broken with the high volume. So right now if once again take a resistance somewhere here, possibility. Okay guys, our first target, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, you have to see that it has to break this line. Okay, if it is in continuation only it breaks, then you can go for your first, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, you have to take your risk. Remember, risk management is very important guys. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can discuss is that if it will breaks and take somewhere support, our first immediate target, our, just a second, our first immediate target will be that, guys, second immediate target, and our third and fourth immediate target. Okay guys, you can go further also if it makes a bullish candles, so you can go further also. You can join my Telegram channel too, guys. NSD versus US dollar. Okay guys, we have got very nice trade in these. So right now what happen is that if it will breaks, then it gonna definitely come here, and this is the major supporting areas right now. What I am telling you, this will is first target, second target. Okay guys, these are the two target, and also you can see here these are the right now act as resistance for us, because you can see that first time, second time. So this is the strong resistance area, what I believe. So just second. Okay, right now it's correct. So if it will break and come here, then what you have to do, your first target will be here, guys. Second target, if this will break, you can expect the bigger momentum. Third, fourth, after you can reach up till here. If it will take somewhere here only resistance. Okay guys, our first target, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target. In upside and downside both we have discussed. In downside, if what happened, if once again break this, then you can expect the bigger fall in NSD versus US dollar. Your first, second and third target too. Okay guys, we have discussed this all, so we can see the next forex pair, euro versus Japanese yen. You can see here, this is the trend line. After break, this is consolidating right now. I will just what we have to see is that we have to shift this. Okay, we have shifted right now. So right now we have to see it is continuously in a sideways market. So what happened, this sideways market came up till here only. If this will break, this break, then you can expect your first, second, third, fourth target, guys. Okay guys, even bigger also I will update in Telegram channel. If you will wanted to updates, so check out my Telegram channel too, guys. Okay guys, up till here, if it shows a bullishness, okay guys, if it shows the bullishness, then you can see here first, second, third, three times happened. So it gonna definitely break. If it will break, then you can go for your first target, second, okay guys, second target, third and even fourth target, guys. This will act also as a resistance. Remember this too, guys. Okay guys, you have to remember this. Just I will shift this, I will make a separate, so you will get nicest view in this. So up till here. Okay guys, so you have to see that. Okay guys, if it will break, then you can expect up till here also it can come, but it has to reach up till here. After that, if it's break this is the trend line, this area, buyer zone area, then you can expect up till here 132. Okay guys, we can see next AUD versus CHF. Okay guys, right now it is acting as a resistance. I will just remove this. This doesn't make right now any sense, so this will be the one of the resistance. So I will just draw it. Yeah, it's correct right now. Just a second guys. Okay, this is the correct area right now. So what do we expect right now is that it has to turn around, or if it will break, then our first target will be here, guys. Second, our third target too. Okay guys, these are the three target in downside momentum. If we want in upside momentum, guys, you can see here, guys, what happened is that if it is continuously taking a support, our first second target, then it will take support our third and our fourth target, guys. Okay guys, these are the four target, but you have to remember this is the area. Okay guys, this is the area which will decide it goes downside or upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see the next GBP versus Japanese yen, guys. Right now it is continuously consolidating. Okay guys, so right now we have to do is, this is the one of the trend line right now. Okay guys, so what I am seeing is that it may be break. Okay guys, if it consolidate and break our first target, second, third, fourth, and even fifth target. Okay guys, these are the 5 target in upside momentum. In downside also we can discuss is that if it take resistance somewhere here, our first target will be here only, second target our third target, fourth, and even fifth target, guys. Okay guys, these are the downside and upside momentum target, guys. In we have discussed all the major forex, so go and check out my all the weekly analysis, guys. There are so many. I have how I have traded, how I have making all the money. I have told you where is my stop loss, how I have gained, what pattern I am seeing, why I have taken, why that is the buyer's area. All things I have told you. Please go and check out those things. It will definitely help for your trading, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you, guys.